Right, I'm going to show you how to record videos using an application called Screencastify. So we're going to open a new tab. We're going to go to the icon on the left where it says Apps. And then we're going to click on Web Store. Right now, in the search bar on the left, we're going to type in Screencastify. Normally, that's the top option. So we're going to go ahead and add that to Chrome. So click on that, and we're going to add extension. Okay, now that's being added. And as soon as that's added, there's going to be an icon in the top right that looks like a pink arrow with a little camera on the inside. All right, so that's your Screencastify icon. So anytime you want to use it, all you have to do is click on it. So we're about to do that. So let's go ahead and click on that. And then we're going to sign in with Google. So click on that. Click on Next. And we're going to go ahead and allow. Okay, now as soon as you do that, there's going to be a video that's going to appear that's basically going to show you the essentials or the very basics of Screencastify. So I'm going to fast forward to about the only thing I'm not going to talk about. You should definitely watch this video. It's very short and very informative. So right here, they're going to use a little bit of the markup or the draw tool. So they're going to go to the bottom left and click on that, and they're going to show you how you can write on the screen as you're talking about it using this extension called Screencastify. So again, I don't use that very often, but if you want to use that, you are definitely welcome to. So now I'm going to show you how to record. So to record, all you have to do is go to that icon on the top right, the Screencastify icon, and click on it. Once you click on it, you have a few options here for which camera you want to use. The desktop would only record what's on your screen, and the browser tab, for example, will record what's on your desktop. And in addition, it'll have a small screen on the top right-hand side that in a way that where kids can actually see your face. All right, so nonetheless, we're going to go ahead and stick with the desktop for this example. So we're going to press record. And if you want to record your entire screen, just go ahead and click on share. If you want to only share one of your windows, then you can click on application window. All right, so we're going to share our whole screen. And as soon as I press share, you're going to hear a countdown. And when the countdown's done, that's when Screencastify is going to begin recording. 3, 2, 1. So at this moment, we're actually recording using Screencastify. And if you look on the top right, you know that you're recording because you have this small red dot on the icon. And on the bottom, you have this window that appears with a button that says stop sharing. All right, so one more thing that I wanted to show you was that if you're using Screencastify, the very nice thing about it is that anytime you click, it creates this red circle, which makes it really easy to see for students or for anybody else who's watching your video. So once you're done, all right, you can go down to stop sharing, for example, and you're going to press that button. And as soon as you press that, this window is going to appear, and it's going to have, we're actually recording using, excuse me. So it's your video is gonna appear, and it's gonna start playing automatically. So that if you don't like the video, obviously you can just press on the delete button, which is in the top right. If you want to rename your video, go to the top left and just click on it. And right now the name of the recording is just the date and the time at which I'm recording. So if we're gonna call this, let's call this testing video 4. All right, we're gonna save, and then now to upload it to YouTube, which you don't have to obviously, but if you want to upload it to YouTube, make sure that you have clicked on the YouTube icon over here, and then you have to select your channel. Now, assuming that you have already signed in into your Google account, as soon as you press select, your channel should be automatically there. If not, just go ahead and go to add channel and look for your channel. So we're going to press on that, and we're going to go ahead and upload. Now, if you want to change your privacy settings, all right, where not everyone can find your video, you can just click on unlisted, and you can share this link that's about to appear basically as soon as I upload the video here. Let's see. Okay, so there's the link to your video. All right, so if you want to get a shareable link, you can just click on that, and then that way only people who have this link can see your video. So if you want to keep this a little bit more private where not everybody can see it, that's how you do it. All right, so once you have done that, then your video should be on YouTube already. So it should be ready for you to put it on Google Classroom if you like, and or anything of the sort. So I hope this video helped for you. Now, just one thing to note, right now I have a window that says stop sharing, but that's only because I'm using a different system to show you how to use Screencastify. So this window should not be here. Once you press the stop sharing button, the window will disappear.